In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to meetings in Calendly. Adding a clear description to your event types is one of the easiest ways to set expectations, reduce confusion, and make sure everyone shows up prepared. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through where to click, what the options mean, and how to save your changes so they show up for your invitees. First, open your browser and go to your Calendly account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your scheduling page. Once you're in, you'll see your list of event or meeting types. These are the different kinds of meetings people can book with you, like one-on-one calls, team meetings, or consultations. Next, choose the specific meeting where you want to add or update the description. Click on that meeting type to open its settings. This is where you control things like duration, location, and the information invitees see before booking. Once the meeting settings are open, look for an option labeled More Options or something similar. Go ahead and click on that. This expands additional configuration areas that are not immediately visible on the main screen. It's very useful when you want more control over how your meeting is presented. Inside these additional settings, find the area labeled Description. Click on the description field to start editing. This is where you'll type the information you want your guests to see before they confirm the meeting. Here, you can briefly explain what the meeting is about, what the other person should prepare, and any important details such as the agenda, required documents, or who should attend. Try to keep your description clear and concise. For example, you might mention the goal of the call, where the cameras are expected to be on, or if they'll need to be in front of a computer. Once you've written your description and reviewed it for clarity and typos, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button in the editor and click on it. This is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your new description will not be applied. After saving, your updated meeting description will automatically appear on the booking page for that event type, and it will also be included in the confirmation details that your invitees receive. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a description to your Calendly meeting.